throughout the region. If you ever get a chance, go to Green, go to Fredericksburg. They're not that far. And coming up on my right is the Torch of Friendship, giant orange sculpture up here on Alamo Street. This giant work of art was a gift from Mexico. Been there for about 20 years, so on my right is the torch. Oldest restaurant on the water. They were wooden boats. Today, like I said, we use an electric boat, so we have come a long way. Still basically doing the same thing down here. And I was told that over 100 people fall in the river every year. That's about twice a week. Hearing mariachi music being performed. Mariachi music is still jazz band or marching band. You know the words? Sing along.